The journey of ATC, Advanced Tuition Center. ATC was founded in 2020 during the lockdown, starting with just one student with no formal classroom. It began in a small, humble room. However, with unwavering dedication and faith, ATC soon expanded into a proper learning space equipped with limited books, experiment kits, life skill tools, and computers. True to its motto, Colossians 3:23, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart as though you were working for the Lord and not for the human masters. ATC was built not as a business but as a mission, one that prioritized holistic development over mere academics. Despite its modest beginning, ATC gained recognition, and before long, more students, teachers, and supporters joined the journey. With time, ATC expanded, adding new classrooms, more opportunities, and greater exposure for students. Teachers didn't just teach, they nurtured, disciplined, and mentored students according to their individual personalities. Through fellowships, movies, activities, and interactive learnings, ATC became a place of transformation. Beyond academics, it provided character-building experiences, instilled values that would last a lifetime. ATC was not just about education, it was about empowerment. It offered free classes to underprivileged students, ensuring that financial barriers would not hinder anyone's growth. Every step was taken with prayer, dedication, and a heart for service. By 2024, ATC had touched many lives and stood as a beacon of hope. However, with a heavy heart, it had to close its door due to the CEO's personal circumstances, requiring him to move elsewhere. Without his presence, it became difficult to sustain the same vision and leadership. Yet, the hope of ATC does not end here. If it is in God's will, ATC will rise again, stronger, more advanced, and with an even greater purpose. Until then, its legacy lives on in the hearts of those it has impacted.